Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 19th, 2021. This is going to be our Ethereum price prediction. Can Ethereum hit $5,000? We're going to talk about that today on this video because we want to make sure that we get all the heads up as to where price is going to be for Ethereum so that we can continue to profit from the market. This is what we do. This is what we're all about. So if you guys want to tap in, make sure you lock in with me right now. Before I get started, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel because you guys can tell we are producing price predictions on these price charts. We're here to make sure that we are able to predict where prices are going to go so that we can win and eat off the market. So if you guys want to join me, like I said earlier, keep it locked in here because I'm going to give you all a heads up as to where price is going to go. So first, I want you all to see this. We did a price prediction in Ethereum on October the 7th, 2021. We said that we were looking for the market in Ethereum to go up in price, and so far it's been golden. Look at that. The price in Ethereum has been going up, right? We have been in profit mode ever since what? October the 14th? So maybe 7 days into our price prediction in Ethereum, we've seen the price go up in price, and we've been in profitability mode since then. So I want to say congratulations, to everyone who was able to predict the same thing, who saw the same type of information that we saw back on October the 7th, because right now we're able to eat off the market. I mean, if we were to get off the market right now in Ethereum, we'll be up around 6%, right? Cool. No issues, no qualms about it. I mean, we like to see profitability on our charts. So far, we're getting that 6%. Now, I want to ask you all the question, though, right? One thing about understanding how the market moves and predicting price is, okay, should we continue to go forth with looking for the price in Ethereum to go up? That's the question that I am posing to each and every one of you today. Should we continue to expect the market in Ethereum go up? Or should we take the profit, take the bag right now of the 6% and move on to the next opportunity? Let's figure it out. So real quick, I wanted to show you all from this daily perspective that Ethereum is kind of getting rejected 3 times up here in the market, right? We've seen the market in Ethereum get rejected around 3 times around that $4,000 price. Okay, we started it all the way back in May of 2021. We got rejected. Here in September 2021, we got rejected. And now once again in October, the price in Ethereum has been getting rejected at 4,000. Now I'm gonna give you the real. I'm gonna tell you that once price in Ethereum breaks $4,000, it's gonna be real easy for the market in Ethereum to hit 5,000. It won't even be a problem for the market to hit 5,000 once we see this market crack $4,000 to the upside. It's just that simple. It kind of resembles that the market is building up its next breakage or breakout to the upside. And you're only going to get this rejection so many times before the market in Ethereum clearly breaks it and goes up. I mean, look at this as I zoom out the price chart. What trend are we in Ethereum? This is a very bullish market in Ethereum right now. So far, the market in Ethereum is still in the long term expected to continue to go up in price because price is definitely trading well above that ascending line. Now, the only qualm that I will see is that if we get rejected at this $4,000 price a third or maybe even a 4th time, then we are increasing, okay, the probability of Ethereum coming all the way back down to this ascending line, right? There's a lot of euphoria going on into the market in the cryptocurrency space right now, especially with Bitcoin, the Bitcoin ETF, and alongside with Ethereum, there's a lot of hype, a lot of FUD being distilled in the markets. This is why the price in Ethereum is trading so far away from the overall trend. Okay, we are trading about what 31% away from the overall trend right now. Now, if the market in Ethereum was to dip 30%, I mean, you'll see massive amounts of negative news coming out as to why Ethereum dropped. Everyone's going to try to drop their assumptions as to why the market went down. Look, the reason why the market will go down in Ethereum is because we are overextended. When you look at this from the ascending line on my chart, we are clearly overextended from where price could reasonably be at a very reasonable price, and we still have the probability of the market going up. That's the only reason. So I want to make sure I give you all that heads up because we are trading around all-time highs in Ethereum, and a lot of people are still expecting that bullishness to continue. And when the majority of the market continues to expect one side of the market to go one way, that's usually when you get the surprise. That's usually when the market does an abrupt stoppage and goes the other way. Okay, so I'm just here to give you all that as an expectation that is something that I can see, even though it's slight right now. But I want to make sure that I give you all the heads up about it, because I don't want to catch you all on guard once the market in Ethereum actually continues to go lower in price. Now, let me show you all what the market looks like in Ethereum on a different time frame. This is the 3-day time frame in the market in Ethereum, and so far I'm still looking for the price to go up. Okay, and the main reason is because this market price is able to hold support right here, okay, around $3,600, and then my second area is going to be all the way down to 34. So as long as that's the case, I'm still expecting the price in Ethereum to go up. The only issue that I'm seeing right now is that $4,000 price acting as a restriction point, right? We really need to see the market break $4,000 there in order for us to hit $5,000, which is not that far away. I mean, when you look at this from the chart perspective, we are 32% away, almost 33% away from the market in Ethereum hitting $5,000. Okay, and that's readily doable in a very bullish cryptocurrency space, especially if Bitcoin and the Bitcoin ETF garners a lot of speed. A lot of the major hedge funds and institutions really jump into the ETF space. Ethereum is going to ride alongside with it. Okay, so I'm still looking for the market in Ethereum to hit $5,000. But like I said, if we follow the trend in Ethereum, okay, just the trend alone, and let's say the market comes all the way back down to this ascending line and we maintain the price, it will take Ethereum about, let's see, December of 2022 for Ethereum to hit the latest, for Ethereum to hit $5,000. Now that's only if the price was to come all the way back down to this ascending line and we trade right alongside that ascending line, right? Then it would take us about until another year before the market would hit that $5,000 price. But that's not out the norm. I mean, look at the actual price movement in Ethereum. We've been seeing these gyrations to where price actually breaks out away from the trend, and we might actually hit that 5,000 relatively quick and sooner than that. So I just want to give you that perspective. The latest that we can see the price in Ethereum hit 5,000 following this ascending line will be December of 2022. All right, just give you a time perspective from that. So now let me show you all the weekly time frame in this space for Ethereum real quick. Let me bring this back down. So now this is the weekly time frame. This is how we ended last week. And it kind of still shows us that the price in Ethereum is still willing to go up in price. We're going to take a break, right? The market is getting tested to break $4,000 to the upside. And as of right now, we're not being successful. But you guys can see that this current weekly price bar, we're not really seeing that much volume. That is the only hurdle that this market in Ethereum is trying to overcome in order for us to see this $5,000 price come to fruition. That's it. So in actuality, I'm still expecting the market in Ethereum to go up in price. Again, that is the only thing I'm paying attention to. You all need to pay attention to the same thing of this market breaking $4,000 to the upside. So far, it's not readily available to see that happen, but I'm cool. I mean, it's going to be a while. It's nothing to be, worried over, because the market is definitely preparing itself to try to continue to break out and make all-time highs, right? At least that. So I'm going to continue to keep on with my prediction in this market in Ethereum. I'm still looking for the market to go up. Like I said, there's nothing wrong with taking some profitability off the table though. While you're seeing the market in your profitability zone, in your prediction arena, you need to make sure that you want to eat a little bit, nibble off of that profitability. You earned it. Make sure you eat off a little bit of that profitability, because there's no guarantee that the market in Ethereum is going to shoot up in the next 3 to 4 days. We might go all the way back down to this ascending line before we come back up and try to tag out that $5,000 price. So all in all, I'm going to continue to go forth with our price prediction of Ethereum going up in price. Okay, still looking forward to it. And like I said, take a little bit off the mark right there. Take that 6% off. Be satisfied that you was able to call that real quick, because we are definitely still seeing that $4,000 price acting as restriction. But I'm going to continue to maintain the prospect of Ethereum going up in price. Okay, let me bring this back down somewhat, make sure that our ascending line is still intact, and we're golden. So yes, let me recap. Can the market in Ethereum hit $5,000? It sure can. When? At the latest, if we're able to maintain this overall ascending line, December 2022. I'm still expecting the market price in Ethereum to go up. Current hurdle that is in our way is $4,000, which is why there's nothing wrong with us taking that 6% out the space so that we can at least eat off the market right now. All right, so I'm still looking for the price to go up. Ultimate area is right there around $4,200 initially. We'll come back in once the price in Ethereum hits $4,200 and do another price prediction to see if we're still in line to see the market in Ethereum hit 5,000. All right, so that's it. Now, give me your idea, okay? We're a community, we're a team here. I want you all to drop me a comment right now and tell me where do y'all think the price in Ethereum is going to go. How long do you think it's going to take for the price to hit $5,000? Give me your time frame on when you think that's going to occur. And also let me know where's your price prediction for this market. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.